put some things on. Okay, so let's do our big ice cream arms. What kind of ice cream are you scooping today? We're gonna pretend like the whole pool's made out of it, so we can scoop it all up. What kind are you gonna get?
Ice cream. Bubble ice cream.
Bubblegum ice cream? Yum.
And Oreo toppings.
Oreo toppings on top of bubblegum ice cream? That sounds delicious. Let's put your fingers together.
Peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Peanut butter and jelly sandwich with bubblegum ice cream and Oreos. Wow, I can't wait to eat it. Let's make ice cream scoopers out of our hands and just show me how you scoop the water. We want to reach out in front of us and scoop the ice cream to us. Pull that ice cream to us. Oh my goodness. Can I have some of yours? That is so delicious. Can you get me some more? Let's sit right there. Fingers together. We're gonna scoop to me. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Good job. Okay. Oh, I get ice cream. Yum, I want some more. We're gonna scoop all the ice cream in the pool. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Yum, 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 yum. Stop jumping so hard on your tissue. You're hurting yourself.